randomly comes on. So when that happens, I gotta slow down because this car is super tail happy. And you guys already saw the last time we were here, the green car in front of me crashed. So we're gonna make sure we don't do that again. The traction control is working right now. Usually it stops working in like 20 minutes of driving. Just gotta keep an eye on it because it just goes out just like that, randomly. I've driven this car for 10,000 miles now in 2 years, and this is probably one of the most fun cars I've ever owned. Every time I think of selling this car, I go for a drive and forget about it, because sometimes I feel like getting a Z3M, which is a 3.2 liter and this is a 3 liter, but the horsepower difference is only 15, so I don't know. I still get tempted because I like how they look. Quad exhaust and the extra gauges here look super nice to me. But every time I drive this car, I forget about it. I have 77,000 miles right now, so it's fairly low for this car, which is like 20 something years old. After I fixed all the suspension stuff and did the coilovers, driving this car has been pure bliss. Joy. Other than that, I'm chasing down the traction thing. I think it's the yaw control sensor or something. It's under the passenger seat, so I'm gonna look into that soon. But yeah guys, good to be happy to be making a video. Thank you everyone for clicking on the video. I gotta think of some new content to come up with. I've been so busy, like I don't even have time to mod the car. But I'll order a few parts. I think I'll buy a spoiler, and also my chin spoiler broke the other day, so I'm gonna get that fixed. And recently I've been looking into 325i's E36, the pre-Vanos engines, because I heard those are good and fun to turbo and they can hold a lot of boost. So I've been looking for that. They're super expensive, especially the coupes. I wouldn't mind a 4-door, but a coupe is easier to buy, and most people are trying to tax you like $7,000-8,000, and if it's manual, forget about it. And I'm gonna make sure I get a manual because last time I bought an automatic E36 and did the whole swap thing, I wasn't too happy with the results. It's too much hassle, and it costs a lot of money. And on top of that, when you're buying a used transmission, it's a mixed bag. You know, you don't even know if it's a good transmission. Imagine spending $4,000 and the transmission is grinding at second and third. That's what happened to me, and it really pissed me off. So I'm gonna make sure I buy a manual car from a get-go so I can test it out and make sure the transmission and the engine is healthy. But yeah, guys. Last video I made was of my daily Tesla Model 3. Not a lot of people watched it, and I gotta get it. You know, this channel is mostly BMW, so that's like people don't come to my channel to watch Teslas. Oh my God, this guy's throwing rocks at me. If you're new to the channel, it's a 3-liter, 5-speed ZF transmission box. The engine is from E46 330i. The only mods I have is my coilovers and a whole bunch of maintenance. As you guys already know, naturally aspirated engines, you can't really do much to make them go faster. And the money to horsepower ratio is not that good either. So I'm pretty happy with the 225 horsepower this car is advertised with. The 2.8 liter in front of me is supposed to have 190, and when you drive the cars back to back, you do feel it. A lot of people on the forum say you don't, but I highly disagree. I feel it. My friend who owns that car feels it. He has a burble tube. I have none of that. I have factory burbles. There's a tune you can do on this car too for burbles, but I am happy with what I have right now. I don't see the need for louder burbles. And also, if you do that mod, you can do the higher rev limit, but I definitely don't want that because I'm scared it might hurt the engine. The Porsche is wildly in front of us. It just went over double yellow. Yeah, man, it's good to be back talking to you guys. hot? Oh shit, that just happened. So yeah guys, that just happened. Ali got pulled over. Damn, that's so unfortunate. He gave him a $180 ticket. But yeah guys, we're going down there. We're gonna drive carefully and slow. Well, we were driving carefully. He just got him for crossing double yellow. But yeah guys, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. What happened, Alif?
Fucking got another ticket, bro. As usual, pretty messed up, but pay to play, right? BMW will break my wallet. Oh man, the laughter of pain.
He already has an active ticket for crossing double yellow.
Yeah. I mean, it was my fault, but bro. Still in the canyon, bro, there was nobody.
Unlucky.
I mean, a Ferrari was coming, but it's just a Ferrari, you know?
Yeah, he asked me about smoking and whatnot.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm Muslim, bro. I don't even smoke, like, other than cigarette and shisha and hookah, bro.